Hello, all my CMA finalists. Last 5 days before the big day. And at this stage, your objective is not to complete the syllabus, but to maximize marks. And today I'm here exactly for the same. A proven 5 days strategy to boost your law scores. Listen till the end and execute with utmost dedication because next 5 days can either become your excuse or your turning point. So let's begin. But before that, two things to note: don't start any new topic, don't look at the new books or new notes. Fine. Okay. Now I am going to exactly share with you the planner. This might look like very simple. Okay, revision, questions, mock test, recalling MCQs, etc., etc. But there is so much more detailing to it. Listen to me very carefully. Now we have 5 days left. I'm not counting the exam day and I'm not counting today also as I upload the video because I preferably believe the students will be watching the video towards the end of the day also. So day one is your 6th June, right? What you have to do, the first 2 days actually will be completion of syllabus with effective recalling. Now how to recall? I will tell you very simple things. First of all, I have already uploaded a video called as important topics, etc., where the sequence is also shared. So you start with the chapter. Let's say you start with SEBI regulations. Fine. So that is the first chapter. Maybe you've started, right? Now you have to keep in mind the important topics and you have to keep in mind that these are the things I don't have to skip, right? Now you might be having different materials. Whatever material you're comfortable with, that is the material that you have to pick, right? Whether it's your study material, whether it's your any book that you have of any author, anything, right? If you have my book, open the detailed book. Okay. Now, you have to cover all the provisions. How do you cover it? You have opened a book. The first thing that you see maybe is eligibility conditions for IPO. So you just put your own hand or just cover it with a book and try to recall all the points. Now you may be recalling and you have missed 2 points. Oh my God, I missed this one, right? So you have to mark that this is the point that I have missed. If there is any trivial topic or maybe some very difficult concept that you don't know at all, maybe in the chapter of FEMA you've never read ECB properly and you're not able to understand what exactly this is, don't get into that phase of understanding the provision कि आज तो सारा provision हम समझ ही लेंगे. No, you don't have to do that. Instead, because lately the institute has been picking questions from the trivial things also and making case studies and everything, right? So you cannot just completely ignore it. All you have to do is note down its very core provisions and that you are going to review on 10th. जैसे होता है ना last minute पे ये देख लिया यार ये 10th था या 5 था, right? That's how you have to feed your brain because right now that overload is not going to help you. Fine. Okay. Now make sure that you recall all that you have learned before. Agar ek mahine pehle bhi you had learned something, then make sure that you're revising and recalling it right now. And don't miss that important thing things that we have been telling you in the classes that I've been uploading in the video, etc. Right? Now, once you're done with this chapter of SEBI regulations, the next thing that you would do is go to the next chapter, maybe IBC, right? The sequence also, if you want, that has been shared in the previous video. Right now, the sequence wouldn't matter much because you have to cover it in entirety and cover important things of all the chapters. Fine, without missing out on even the trivial, very core points. Okay, now, likewise, you're going to do it for all the chapters. Now, many times students ask me, ma'am, that we have to do that revision as you're saying that the first 2 days should be done in this revision, and I have slightly taken the portion of third day also in case you missed out something or maybe there are some topics which you haven't learned well. So early morning here you can learn that. How do you learn it? Of course, maybe saying it loudly because you don't have the time to write right now. Okay, you cannot write, you can just say it loudly, maybe while brushing your teeth or anything. You can you're doing that recalling, right? So that has to be your choice, but approximately 20 hours should be spent for the first phase revision. First phase revision, that means this 5 days that I'm talking about. Okay, first phase revision. Okay, this is the rough estimate of the time that should be taken to revise a particular chapter. Okay, it can be slightly here and there based on your capability, based on your understanding that, okay, I know this well, I don't know this well. So I might take slightly more time in comparison to the other chapter. But this is just to give you that validation that yes, you're going on the right track. The last 3 hours are spare hours, right, which can be used according to your caliber. Fine. Now, before I move to day 3, I have something very, very, very important to tell you. What is that, ma'am? That is a wonderful live session coming for you. That is again yet another reason why I have given you some part of day 3 also in the revision, because day 2 end, that is 7 p.m. onwards, we will have a live session right here on this channel where we are going to do all the important questions. So what are you going to get? Important questions, ma'am. Which chapters are you going to cover? All the chapters. So all chapters, important questions. That's why it's very important. The early you complete this revision, the more you will be with me in this session, right? Now, this is going to be of extreme importance. Okay. It is going to cover all the chapters. It will help you revise, recall. We'll discuss the case studies, and it is a must join session. When you are doing or reviewing the questions, you can do it on your own. But even when you come here and do it with me, there could be more doubts which are resolved. There could be more effective questions which you see. Plus, I'm not going to waste your time. Okay, so be assured of that. Our sessions are always super effective, and we complete it timely, and we don't talk all that chit chat and anything to waste your time. Fine, let's now move to day 3. Day 3, you have to do the questions. So complete the revision if any is left, and learn if something was missed in the first half, right? And then start the question. See, time is limited. You cannot solve everything, and you cannot write anything. So you have to prioritize what you have to prioritize. Which questions are you going to do? First of all, see the questions which you got wrong earlier. There might be many questions which you haven't done correctly before, and you have marked those questions, or you found them difficult and you have marked those questions. So review that. The frequently asked questions, study mat questions, MQP and PTP of the current attempt, and MQP of last 3 attempts, December 25, June 25, and December 24. See, sometimes case study changes, but the concept remains the same. So it helps you. Maybe exactly the same question is not asked, but somehow the similar question is asked. So that can very well happen. See, obviously, if you attend the session of the questions, most of the work will be done there itself, right? Then when you're checking the questions, you'll be like, ये हो गया, अरे यार ये भी हो गया. So ऐसे होगा आपका, ठीक है? So day 1 and 2, you are doing the revision. Day 2 and we start with important questions. Day 3 and 4, you are going to continue doing the questions, and you will also take one mock test paper, that is exam before exam. Fine. So 9th June preferably, I suggest everyone कि कोई भी एक mock test उठाओ. Even you can pick up maybe some question paper of institute and just create an exam environment and sit and solve it. Very, very, very effective before exams. Okay, the last day. That is exactly the day before your exams. Now here you have to do that super quick recalling. Now you are not going to look into those trivial things वगैरह कुछ नहीं. हाँ, जो आपने mark किए हैं pointers that you have to review, you will see that. The questions that you have marked, maybe you want to review, you will see that. The points that you missed, you want to review, you will see that. Now you are not going to read everything. So take your chart book and plus whatever you have marked, that you are going to review and recall. Fine. And then go for random MCQs. Ma'am, random MCQs, seriously, it's very effective in a lot of ways, right? Do this for at least 2 hours. So 2 घंटे बैठ जाओ, MCQ booklet, MCQ bank. Just keep doing the random questions. It helps you get going. It reduces the anxiety. It helps your brain be active. ठीक है, कभी यहाँ का कभी यहाँ का, अरे यार इसमें ये क्या था. So a lot of things will click and you will be able to recall and connect. Maybe you'll open the book, maybe you'll review this, अरे यार ये भूल गए. So it helps you jump to different topics and activates your brain in the manner you cannot imagine. So this is effective. Fine. So this is what you're going to do, and of course then there will be the day. See, this is the first paper, right? And the paper from where your exam begins. So this can make or break your confidence. So make sure the start is good enough to keep you going. है ना? तो टारगेट क्या रखना है? The target has to be undoubtedly 70 plus, but keep the bare minimum at 60. Right? I'll very soon be guiding you on writing answers. Mark your calendar for this particular live session. Be ready on time for, of course, the super effective session. See, the next 5 focused days can change the story of an entire attempt. And remember to be calm. A calm student without any anxiety. थोड़ी तो होगी ही होगी, that's fine. A calm student with 70% preparation can often beat, and has often beats a panicked student with maybe 90% preparation. So all the very best. Pick a pen and paper, write this tomorrow's target, and make sure to achieve it. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.